Hey everyone, this is Mike from East Coast Additive. In our last video, we talked about tooling and fixturing. We used an example of these vice jaw clamps for this sprocket. Well, in this video, we've reprinted them on our Markforged system using continuous carbon fiber, and we're going to give it the torture test. So here's what I want to do. I want to use these vice jaw clamps with this sprocket and demonstrate torque retention on this sprocket as a way to show the strength of the continuous carbon fiber inlay. To simulate a shaft and to have a means to put torque on the sprocket while it's in the vice jaws, I took a grade 8 bolt, cut it to length. I drilled 2 dimples that align with the locking screws. So with those in place, we can have a very nice strong joint between the sprocket and the center bolt. So I have my sprocket clamped up in my vice jaw clamps. These are the same exact STL file that I used to print in PLA. These are just done on the Markforged. I have 5 layers of continuous carbon fiber about at the center line of the teeth. What I thought I'd do today is take a torque wrench and start applying torque. Here's 40 foot-pounds. I'm going to move up to 50. That's 50 foot-pounds. This test will be at 60 foot-pounds. I think we'll do one last at 70. So there's 70 foot-pounds applied to 3D printed vice jaw clamps in this sprocket. I have the torque wrench set to 80 foot-pounds. I'm going to move up to 90. We'll go to 100. "100 foot-pounds is the max of my 3/8 torque wrench. We just applied 100 foot-pounds to this sprocket held in 3D printed vice jaw clamps using carbon fiber reinforcement with the Markforged print system. These clamps have 5 layers of continuous carbon fiber laid in through the center of this section, about at the center line of the teeth. For those of you not too familiar with torque measurements, 100 is what you hold tires onto a car with. Without some means of clamping this, we would not have been able to apply 100 foot-pounds by clamping the sprocket into a vise without doing damage to either the teeth or the body of the sprocket. So whether you're seeing us on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, find us on the web at www.eastcoastadditive.com, and follow us for more.